Hi, welcome to Grandma Gigi Tales on Mountain Valley Natural Living. Thanks for letting us share a little bit of memory with Myles and me and my husband Stephen down in Flowery Branch, Georgia. Kick your feet, kick your feet, kick your feet. Atta boy. That's what. There you go. Kick your feet. Yay! Yay! Atta boy. Yay! You're doing it, Myles. Kick your feet, kick your feet, kick your feet. You look adorable, honey. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching GiGi Tales, Mountain Valley Natural Living. Give us a thumbs up.